perfect squares. Definition of perfect square number. Definition of a perfect square number. A perfect square number. A perfect square number is a number with square root as whole number. Now, for examples, if you look at square root of 4, what does it give us? The answer is 2. Square root of 4 equals to 2. Now, it means that what? It means that 4 is a what? Is a perfect square number. 4 is a perfect square number. Because the square root of 4 gives us 2, and 2 is a whole number. Also, for example, we can also have square root of 9, which gives us 3. So what does that mean? It means that 9 is a perfect square number. Now, let me now consider an example of number that is not a perfect square for clarity purpose. Now, if you have square root of 7, this will give us a value in form of decimal, 2 point something, because this will not give us an whole number. If you have square root of 3, for example, square root of 3, we have like 1.7321 approximately. You can see this does not give us an whole number. So 3 is not a perfect square number. 7 is not a perfect square number. So that is the definition of a perfect square number.